Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this equation that consists of two factors on the left hand side and likewise two factors on the right hand side as well. And here's our equation: x minus 7 times x minus 8 equals to x minus 7 times 2x minus 9. And now we are going to solve this equation for x values. And eventually we are going to check our answer for any extraneous solutions. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started and let's focus on this equation once again. And here, if we multiply these two factors on the left hand side, we are supposed to be getting x square minus 15 x plus 56, and likewise if we multiply these two factors, we are supposed to get 2x square minus 23x plus 63. And since our highest degree is 2, so therefore our solutions to these equations are supposed to be 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see x minus 7 and x minus 7, they are common on both sides. And one possibility is we can divide out both sides by x minus 7 to remove this common part. However, we have to be careful. We want to make sure that x minus 7 must not be equal to 0. And we are not sure whether this is correct. So therefore, we are going to leave everything as it is. We are not going to remove these x minus 7. And now in this next step, I am going to move this right hand side to the left. So therefore, this is going to become x minus 7 times x minus 8. And when we move everything to the left hand side, so this is, we're going to get negative sign, and x minus 7 times 2x minus 9 equals to 0. And now we can see x minus 7 and x minus 7, they are in common. So therefore we are going to factor x minus 7 outside, and we are ended up with x minus 8 and then minus 2x minus 9 inside this bracket equals to 0. And now let's focus inside this bracket. This could be written as x minus 8, and then we are going to distribute this negative sign. That's going to give us negative 2x plus 9. And when we combine the like terms, this is supposed to give us 1 minus x. So therefore we can see inside this bracket part simplifies to 1 minus x. So therefore we can write x minus 7 times 1 minus x equals to 0. And now we got two factors equal to 0. We can separate them. I can write x minus 7 equal to 0, and the other one is going to be 1 minus x rather is going to be equal to 0. For this first equation, our x value is going to be positive 7. For this second equation, our x value is going to be positive 1. And now let's make an observation. One of the x values is 7. And here we can see in this equation x minus 7, our x value is 7, minus 7 is going to give us equal to 0. So therefore, we were not supposed to be dividing by x minus 7 at the very first place. So thus our two solutions turn out to be x equals to 1 and x equal to 7. And now we are going to check our solutions for any extraneous solution by just plugging in values in this given equation. And now we are going to look at this x equal to 7 value. And now we are going to fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got 7 minus 7 and then times 7 minus 8 question mark, is it equal to 7 minus 7 equals to 2 times 7 is 14 minus 9. And here on the left hand side, that's going to give us 0 times negative 1 question mark, is it equal to 0 times 5. And now we can see 0 on the left hand side is indeed equal to 0. And we can see this is a true statement. So therefore this x equal to 7 is our valid solution. And now we are going to look at this x equals to 1 value. And now we are going to plug it in this equation. So we got 1 minus 7 times 1 minus 8 question mark, is it equal to, this is 1 minus 7 times 2 minus 9. And now we can see on the left hand side we got negative 6 times negative 7 question mark, is it equal to negative 6 times negative 7. And now we can see on the left hand side we got positive 42 is indeed equals to 42 on the right hand side. And here we can see this is our true statement. So therefore x equals to 1 is our valid solution. So thus our valid solutions turns out to be x equals to 1 and x equal to 7. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.